Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, my name is Martha. On this channel, I talk about natural hair guidance, wig making tutorials, and a little bit of cooking. To be specific, I do snacking. So this video is going to be about natural hair. It's going to be about a natural hair style, like a protective style that I can choose over and over again. And this style is called mini twists, loose mini twists. So this hairstyle is one hairstyle that has everything being easy about it. It's easy to make, it's easy to maintain, it's easy to style. So when you make this hairstyle, you're just going to chill until you want it out, and then yeah, you're done. You can as well even do it again and again and again. So if you're still interested, please let's get started. In a life of a naturalist, there lies hairstyles that do not put tension on your scalp and as well as your hair. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a style that I will always choose over and over again, and that is only twists. I did these twists, and actually I do these twists every night. Most so if my hair is not under a protective style, I style my hair, but then when I'm going to sleep, I make sure I twist my hair. I don't comb my hair, I don't do anything, but I make sure my hair is in twists so that I minimize on the tangles. And as well, I never forget to wear a bonnet, a satin bonnet, when I'm going to bed. Now this is a hairstyle that I want to do, and it's called mini twists, loose mini twists. These are styles, like it's a style that someone can do and it will take long, and of which it really looks perfect. I'm already excited about the style. I don't know okay, I don't know how it's going to come out, but I know it is some hairstyle that is going to take some time. When I'm having it, I'm going to wear this style for some good time. At least I know I will make like 2 weeks without touching my hair, with just rocking that style. So this is how my hair looks like. I'm not going to comb, I'm not going to do anything, but now I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to section my hair, and I need water. Everybody needs water. Water is a good moisturizer, so I'm going to spray a little amount of water on my hair, and then I'm going to massage my hair very well so that all the hair gets the water, and water helps the hair to detangle. And then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner from Skincraft, and I know it's just so simple than the other heavy one from Cantu. So I'm going to just as well massage my hair with this leave-in conditioner. This is just keeping my hair moisturized so that it doesn't tangle, it doesn't break. Health hair is just moisturized hair. So I'm massaging it throughout so that it gets really circulated. And then after massaging my hair, I'm going to go in with my oil. This is the oil I make myself, not exactly myself, but I know I make the base, that is my aloe vera oil. So I apply this aloe vera oil. It's a mixture of aloe vera oil and coconut oil, avocado oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm massaging it through so that as well it is circulated. Now after massaging my hair, of course, I'm going to go in and pat and then start this very special hairstyle. So let's start. I'm going to section my hair, and as well I would make this clear anytime and anywhere. I am not so, like, when you make your hair yourself and it's just a protective style, yes, the neatness of the whole parting is necessary, but sometimes you should not kill yourself over some parting, whole thing of parting. So I'm going to just section my hair, just a smaller section, because I need mini loose twists, and then I'm going to start twisting my hair. When twisting my hair, I'm going to make it a bit close to my scalp. The hair is not going to be tight, but it's going to be close to my scalp, and then the twists as well are going to be close to each other in the beginning. Like the first 3 twists or 4 twists are going to be a bit closer and tight, and then later I'm going to let that twist because I want something that is loose. I don't want these very coiled twists, so I just need something loose, and that's it. I'm going to just twist it till down, and that's what I call loose twists. When you let it, it's at first it's long, and then it goes on shrinking until it reaches its final length. If your hair shrinks, that's just a sign of African hair and health hair. So basically there is nothing to worry about or complain about or ask questions about your hair shrinking. So this is my second twist, and I'm going to just do it exactly the same. You just do it a bit close to your scalp, and then also twist a bit tight for the first maybe 3-4 rounds of your twisting, and then get it loose and start twisting. It is something that took me just like 2.5 hours to do my entire hair, so it is something like I would just recommend anyone to do the hair like this, and it's something like you can style anyhow. This is some bit of hair, it's a type of hair that you always see, and it's big, it's a lot of twists on somebody's head until you're like, if I do it, it doesn't come out. This is called loose twists. They don't add anything, but it's just your hair. However, it's not too tight. They are not tight twists, they're just loose. So when you tighten it in the beginning, you just let it a bit and just twist it while not tightening it. That's what we call loose twists. And then when you're done, it is going to show like it's a lot of twists, and everybody will be like, oh my god, the hair is too much, that person has a lot of hair. So I am done with back and my left side, all right. So I'm going to go on and do this other part. As you can see already, I really have a lot of twists done on my head, as in it looks like I added something like maybe some kinky or some hair at least, but trust me, it's nothing. As you know already, I showed you how to do it, and that's how much the hair goes, because it comes back and then it gets a bit big. So that's why it's called loose. When you do something loose, it's not going to be so tight. That means it's going to loosen up and a bit grow bigger. That's why there are so many. So now that we are making this hair together, this is the right chance to talk about how to maintain this type of hair. This hairstyle is easy to maintain, and it can take you a bit longer than you expect. But it can take you longer than you expect because you're taking good care of it. If first of all, you have to make sure you sleep under a bonnet. You should wear a bonnet when you're going to bed. Then the next thing is, whenever you see that this hair is dry or it's frizzy, just get a spray bottle, put water and some little amount of leave-in conditioner, shake it very well so that it mixes properly, and then start spraying. You can spray in the morning and then it's done. Every morning, if you see that the hair is so dry, you just have to spray it so that you waken it up. Like, it needs to look good, fluffy, healthy, and as well many, because it was a lot in the beginning. So then every time you see that your scalp is as well getting dry, you can get people who use shea butter, you can use shea butter, and then for people who use oil, you can just put drops of oil, massage your scalp, just maintain it just like that. It is some hairstyle that can take you quite some good days. So that's how we maintain this hairstyle. That's how we take good care of it. If you don't have a bonnet, you can go on and use a satin scarf, a silk scarf, or you can use anything that is satin, and then just that's the only way to maintain this hair. Now that we are about to get done, this is the only hair, and as you can see, this hair shrinks like nobody's business, but I'm so happy my hair shrinks. I'm going to explain it again. You have to make it a bit tight in the beginning, and then when you reach somewhere like you've made 4 twists, that's when you loosen it and make it loose twists. And then it has to sit on your scalp a bit so that it's neat, like it looks neat, but still it does not matter. Just try and do this hairstyle. Oh my god, see how many twists I have on my head. And see, as per now it's long, but I know it's going to shrink more and more. Look at how fluffy it is. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm already so happy and in love with whatever I am seeing. Now, what is next? What is next is how to keep it moisturized. First of all, I'm going to use my serum. That is a hair growth serum from Skincraft. I'm just going to put some drops of serum. You don't need to put like a lot of serum in your hair, but just drop some and then massage your hair. As you apply your serum, make sure you apply it on the thin areas, that is your edges, your back side that is easy to thin or break. And as well, because it's thin, that means you need more growth right there. And as well, you need the serum. I just use my serum to massage my hair as well. So I massage my thinning areas mostly and then massage my scalp as well. And that's it. So after massaging my hair, I'm going to go in with my oil. This is homemade aloe vera oil and I mostly use it for my scalp. More so when it's just this aloe vera oil, I just use aloe vera oil because I know aloe vera is just very, very, very nice and very good. It does wonders to my hair. So I use it as well to massage my scalp so that I get some hair rejuvenation. So that's how I do it, and this is what I'm going to be doing as well. Every night I'm going to be applying my serum and massage it through, and then for the oil, anytime I see that my scalp is dry, I'll go on and apply my oil and then massage through. So yes guys, this is how the hair came out. This is how big it is. This is how many they are without any extension, without any hair added. Please allow me to remind you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and as well hit the notification button so that you get notified after a second when I upload a video. So all this dance is because I'm excited and I'm just so happy. Like, I'm just happy to see this hair come out like this. So now I'm going to accessorize. I just want to add up some spices to this hair, and first of all I'm just going to use beads. So for the beads, I'm going to just pass through the first bead and then the second bead, and between the second and the first one I'm going to twist it upwards. I'm just going to twist my hair upwards and then pull the first bead so that it touches the second bead. Same applies to the rest of them, and that's how we put beads. And they won't fall. They won't come out. It's just fine. You just have to make sure you twist it a bit tight, and that's it. So I'm just going to spice it up. First, I'm going to use these front beads only, and then I'll hold a puff, and maybe after 20 minutes or 1 hour, I'm going to style it and see how it's going to all come out so that I am ready to confuse everybody around me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and that's it for today. Hope you're going to try this hairstyle, and I can't wait to see and read all your comments, the feedback. I can't wait for the pictures. I can't wait for everything. Like, you let me know if you try it, and you let me know. If you don't know how to twist your hair, I'm going to put a link of my video when I was teaching how to twist your hair, because if you don't know how to twist your hair, you're missing out on almost every style. If you don't know how to braid your hair, you're missing out on each and every style, because every protective style runs within 3 styles, that is twists, cornrows and braids. So all right, that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified anytime, any second when I upload a video. Alright guys, bye bye.